So, hello friends, my name is Anirudh Kumar Singh, and we are starting from a new chapter which is trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. So, there are it is the relation with trigonometrical ratios chapter, and if we talk about this chapter, there are five standard angles which is 0 degree and 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So uh, these five standard angles. So we will find all the standard angles trigonometrical ratios, which are sine theta, cos theta, cot theta, sec theta, tan theta, and cosec theta. So our first trigonometrical ratio will be sine theta. So now there are five more important fractions which will help us for finding the value of sine theta. First is 0 divided by 4, root 0 divided by 4. Second is root 1 divided by 4. Third is root 2 divided by 4. Fourth is root 3 divided by 4. Fifth is root 4 divided by 4. So now we have found we have written all the angles, all the fractions which will find the value of sine theta. And the first angle is sine 0 degree, which is which will be found by this fraction, which is 0 divided by 4. So if the root will be eliminated, then the value will become 0 divided by 2, and 0 divided by 2 is nothing but 0. So sine 0 degree is 0. Sine 30 degree will be found by 1 by 4 fraction, 1 by 4 root fraction. So 1 by 4, if root is eliminated, then it will become 1 by 2. So sine 30 degree is 1 divided by 2. Now we will find the sine 45 degree by root 2 divided by 4. So root 2 divided by 4, first we will cancel this, which is root 2 divided by 4. 2 will cancel 4 by 2. So it will become 1 divided by root 2, as 1 does not has a root, it will become 1 only, and 2 does not has a root, it will become root 2. So 1 divided by root 2. Now 60 degree, root 3 divided by 4. So 3 will be rooted, and 4 if rooted will become 2. So sine 60 degree is root 3 divided by 2. Now 90 degree will be found by root 4 divided by 4. So root 4 divided by 4 is a fraction in which 4 will cancel the 4 and it will become 1. Root 1. It will become only 1. So sine 90 degree value is 1. Now we will find the values of cost ratio, cos theta, and we will find all the values of the standard angles of cos theta for cos theta. So now these fractions are not so important because we have found the value of sine theta. Now if the table is turned opposite side, then the values of cos theta will be found easily, because 1 of sine 90 is equal to cos 0 degree, which is 1. Root 3 by 2 will become cos 30 degree, sine 60 degree is equals to cos 30 degree, and sine 45 will be equal to cos 45, and this 1 by 2 will become here, will be written here, and 0 will be written here. So we have found all the trigonometrical ratios, all the standard angles for cos theta by turning the values opposite side, which is 1 and root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. It will not be 1 by 2, it will become 1 by root 2. And 1 by 2 is this, 0 is this. So now we will find the value of tan theta. So in the chapter, the trigonometrical ratios, there is a formula which is tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. So we will find the value of tan 0 degree by sin 0 degree divided by cos 0 degree. So it will be 0 divided by 1, which is nothing but 0, and tan 30 degree will become sin 30 divided by cos 30. So we can reciprocate the fraction which is root 3 by 2 in order to multiply this value. 2 will cancel by 2 and the value of tan 30 will be 1 divided by root 3. Now the value of tan 45 will become sin 45, which is 1 divided by root 2 divided by cos 45, which is 1 divided by root 2. So if any number is divided by the same number only, then the value will become 1. So tan 45 will become 1 as 1 divided by root 2 divided by 1 divided by root 2 will be equal to 1 only. Now we will find tan 60 degree by dividing sin 60 degree divided by cos 60 degree. So sin 60 degree by cos 60 degree, which will be equal to sin 60 degrees value is root 3 divided by 2 and cos 60 degrees value is 1 divided by 2. So this fraction will be reciprocated, which will become 3 divided by 2 into 2 divided by 1. 2 will cancel 1 and it will become root 3. As 1 in the denominator has no value, so it will be vanished or be not involved. Now the value of tan 90 degree will become sin 90 degree divided by cos 90 degree. So if any number is divided by 0, then it will become infinite or it will become not defined. So the value of tan 90 degree is not defined or it is infinite. Now we will find the value of cot theta by doing the same as we found the value of cos theta by turning the table to the opposite side. Then this infinite will become first, this root 3 will become second, 1 will remain here, 1 by root 3 will become second last and 0 will become the last. We have found the value of cot theta. Now we will find the value of sec theta. So as you know, there is a relation between cos theta and sec theta, that sec theta is equals to 1 divided by cos theta. So by this we can state all the all the standard angles of sec theta, which we can state by the reciprocal of cos theta, which is first the reciprocal of 1 will become 1 only. So sec 0 degree is 1. Now the value of cos 30 degree is root 3 divided by 2. It will be reciprocated. It will become 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3. Now this is 1 divided by root 2, which is sin 45, cos 45. So we will find the value of sec 45 by the reciprocal of cos 45, which is 1 divided by root 2. Root 2 will become the numerator and 1 will become the denominator. So in denominator there is no value for 1, so 1 will become 0. 1 will be vanished or be not involved. So this will become root 2. And now cos 60 degree is 1 divided by 2. It will be reciprocated for finding the value of sec 60 degree. So it will become 2. 2 divided by 1, which will be equal to 2 only. Now we will find the value of sec 90 degree in which cos theta is this. So the value of cos theta is 0, which came from 0 divided by 1. So this fraction will be reciprocated, 1 divided by 0, 1 divided by 0. So if any number is divided by 0, it will become infinite or not defined. So sec 90 degree is infinite. Now we will find the value of cosec theta. So by turning the table opposite to the opposite side, we can find the value of cosec theta, which is infinite. This infinite will become here, will come here, this 2 will come here, this root 2 will remain at the same place, 2 by root 3 will become second last by the second position, and 1 will become the last. So we have founded all the trigonometrical ratios of standard angles.